Hey developers, want to code faster, cleaner and smarter? I have got 10 VS Code extension that will be totally upgrade your workflow from AI to suggestion to live server previews. These tools will be help to must for the everyday dev. Prettier, auto format your code perfectly. First up, you have got Prettier. It automatically format your code every time you save, making it consistent, clean and easy to read. No more wasting time fixing indentation or tailing comps. Prettier handles it all for you. Just select all code, click Ctrl Shift P and select format. Okay, this will be change your broken format and make your code prettier looks good. Okay, just see that my I have just broke a line and format my file. It correct path. It set my path to correct one. And our second extension is ESLint. Cache errors and enforces code style. Yes, next is ESLint, your code personal grammar checker. It catches bug and enforces consistent code style based on rules you choose. It like Airbnb and is or standard. It's must for keeping your code clean and error free. You can check. I can change my code in here. It will be show error in here. It will be tell me that there is some error in my code, and you can see that red underline below on error area. Okay, this is our second extension of VS Code. Let's dive into our third extension called Live Server. Instantly previews changes in the browser. Fountain devs, you will love this one. Live Server. It let you your HTML and CSS changes in real time by launching a local server. Just save the file and your browser update instantly. Non refresh need. Okay, let's install this extension and click on the live server from the button of the VS Code, and then you can see your browser will automatically open a tab like this URL, and you can see the your website is will be viewed. Just say that I am changing my title, and it will automatically refresh my website, and you can see that it's renamed. Okay, and automatically it will serve your updated code in the front end. Okay, I hope you guys are clear about this. Let's dive into the next one. It was GitLens. GitLens supercharge your Git workflow. Working with Git, GitLens show you exactly what write, what line of code, when and why. You can view the history, inline blame, and even see commit messages right inside in your editor, like having Git X revision. Okay, just see, this is my project and this is not published in GitHub. I can publish it through when I install GitLens, then it give me to publish on GitHub. Just I am selecting my this project to publish on GitHub, and it will be published in few seconds. You can see the it was published in GitHub, and you can see my commit in here. All of your commit branch etc will be shown in this place of your file. Our next extension is Tabnine AI powered code completion. Tabnine is an AI copilot for your code. It learns your code pattern and suggest full lines of code type. It fast accurate and support almost every language, making your code smoother than ever. Okay, just like Chat GPT, you can install this and you can see like this will be showing in your sidebar this item, and you can ask help for your problems and it will be give you solutions. Okay, just like VS Code, GitHub Copilot, or other AI tools. You can see like this. Then you need to be log in to this, and you can get access of this. Our next extension is Path Intellisense Auto Complete File Path. Okay, ever forget to exact name of the file you are importing? File path intelli intelligence auto completes your path as you typing, saving time and reducing typos. Super handy and large project with deep folder structure. You can see this is my script. I can go to my script without um, typing or changing my file. It is very helpful for me. And let's go to our number seventh extension is Thunder Client, right? Lightweight Postman alternative. Meet Thunder Client, a fast and lightweight alternative to Postman built right into VS Code. You can test APIs, send requests, view response, and even organize collections without ever leaving your editor. Okay, this is your visual. You can see that this is a demo API. I enter and I hit it, gave me this response. Our next extension is REST client. Run API calls inside VS Code. Another great API tool is REST client. It lets you write and run HTTP request in .http file directly within VS Code. You can see this documentation and you will be understand what you need to be do. It's great for documenting serving your API test alongside your code. Our ninth extension is CodeSnap. Take beautiful screenshots of code. Want to share your code on Twitter, blogs, or tutorials? CodeSnap let you take beautiful high resolution screenshot your code with syntax highlighting. It's perfect for dev content creators. Okay, just see and it will install in your VS Code and then go into your code and let's follow me. Okay, once it installed, go to your file and click Ctrl Shift P, and it will be open a search box, and you need to be search here um, CodeSnap, and then you will get like this. Okay, let's select it, and it will be you can see like this, and you can mark here and change colors from here. When you select your code, it will be directly passing into your right side image, and you can click on below a red below circle, and it will be give you command to save this image, and you can save this image by like this, and you can change its background if you need. And our let's go to our last extension. It's advanced new file. It's very useful for us. You can go any place and you just type like this, and you can create your file in anywhere with folders just like this. Description showing this uh, features full information that just uh, click Control P and click on advanced new file, then you just type your folder or file. It's I mean, you just select your path and file extension. It will create your file in that position you send in path.